Today I'm going to show you how to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and go to your main dashboard. From the top right corner, click the gear icon. In the Settings menu, select Reconcile. This opens the reconciliation area where you compare the transactions in QuickBooks with your bank or credit card statement. Next, choose the account you want to reconcile. This could be your checking account, savings account, or credit card account. Make sure the account you select matches the statement you're using. Now enter the ending balance exactly as it appears on your statement. Use the full amount, including cents. If this number is wrong, the reconciliation will not balance properly. Next, enter the ending date from the same statement. This should be the statement closing date, not today's date. Once the account, ending balance, and ending date are correct, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will now show the transactions recorded for that account. Go through your bank or credit card statement and match each transaction with what appears in QuickBooks. Check off the deposits, payments, fees, and other transactions that match your statement. As you select matching transactions, watch the difference amount at the top of the screen. The goal is to get the difference to 0. If the difference is not 0, check for common issues like missing transactions, duplicate entries, wrong amounts, or transactions recorded in the wrong period. You can use filters or sorting to help find specific transactions faster. Once everything matches and the difference is 0, click Finish Now. QuickBooks will complete the reconciliation and create a reconciliation report for your records. And that's how to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online.